Alright, so I want to give you a quick tutorial of the church directory. And so a directory is just as it sounds, it's the church directory of your church. So let's click in here and let's look at this. We have, first of all, we have a families tab, a members tab, attendees tab, a guest tab, and an information tab. So we're going to focus on the families tab right now, and we'll cycle through these rest as we go through this demo. But here we got the families. So we have the Anderson family, the Johnson family, the King family, the Moss family, and the Thompson family. We have phone numbers, which is the main contact, and then we have the address, the family address, and then we have everybody in the family. You see Eric Anderson only has one person, so does Mary, but you'll see over here that there's more people in this family, and so you'll see names down here of everybody in the family. And so pretty simple, easy to understand the address information. We're from an admin standpoint, so from this admin standpoint we can actually edit families and everything else while we're here. So right here you can see if I click that, I could change the name of the family, change the address of the family right from here. If you want to go into a specific person and you want to see a specific person information, you'll just click Ashley here. A card will flip around, you'll see a phone number, you'll see an email, you can see a birth date. Right here you can see all the notes that you have taken on Ashley. You can save notes, you can cancel notes. And here you can actually change the information of Ashley. You can change anything that you have that we have in here, any data point on Ashley. So just the admin are going to have these admin features. Other than that, you're going to see the standard directory cards here. We do have the capabilities for you to send out a read-only copy of this to all the members in your church, and that's what this looks like right here. This will just be a read-only. There is no admin features. You can't edit anything. So maybe if you want to have a directory available for your members to come see, they can do everything. They can see all the information that you have available, but they're not able to edit anything. They're not able to change anything or keep notes. That would only be done by admins. So that is literally the directory for the family. You can see the name and address of the family. You can click into the actual person and get their information. Now, you can also search for a family, and then it'll just bring up the card that you're searching for. You can also select it by a letter, and these will be all the letters that you have. If you have more families that have last names, this list will grow. Right now, you see we only have A, J, K, M, and T, and you'll see that's why the letters are there. And then, so that's the family. So we got families there. You can also just go to members, and this will just strip everything out, and it'll actually have everybody here, Ashley, James, even though they're in the same family, it'll actually break each of them out into the cards that they belong to. So you'll have a card per person instead of per family. And then you can do the same thing, search, you can take notes on them. You can also go to attendees, and this will pull up all your attendees. You can also do the same thing on guests. Here, let's click H, you can see the Hopkins, and then that is the cards or the directory that we have for families, members, attendees, and guests. And then another cool thing that we have is this information here. I'm going to click on this. This is where you can start to pull some information that you would have on your directory. So say you wanted to generate the birthdays, and here's all the birthdays of everybody that we have in our system. I don't have that much data in the system, so there's only June and July birthdays here. But if you would have more, you can pull a birthday. This is the graph type like this, or you can do a list type like this, and it'll list it out for you. Let's go here to address, emails, and phone numbers. We're going to sort by last name. We're going to get a list format, and we're going to do it. And here's all your list of everybody in your system and all their information. You can also pull stuff like phone numbers. Here's the phone numbers of everybody in the system. You can pull membership class. Anything that you have in the system, this information tab will let you pull that data out of your system. So that is the tutorial of the directory. You have the actual directory, the family cards, you have regular people cards, and then you have information extract. You can pull any information that you would like to see out of the system. Just like that. Maybe a birthday list or anything that you want. So that is the directory tutorial in a nutshell. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.